Hello, welcome back once again. My name is Francis. I want to show you another way of making money using an app. Yes, this app generates money for you. This app is called Pounds App. Then, first of all, what you need to do is just go the link below and you join the platform. Yes, whenever you sign up in this app with that link, then as you go to Play Store, then the next thing is for you to download the app. As you go to Play Store, then you type in the Pounds app. So type Pounds, then it will take you to as you can see now. I'm into my Play Store and I have already downloaded it because I have already started using it and generating income. So now you click on it, download it, and go straight to registration. And after registration, it will just bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. Then you see there's a lot of things. I have seen what I've generated. Then now there is a free uh, spine here. The free spine, you just spine it. That spine it will take care because you also gathering some points. You can see. You can see. I've generated some points now. Give it another try. So I didn't get it this time around. I didn't get any point this time around. So it tells me to continue doing. This is daily break. This is daily streak. So you have to come here daily and so that you can be making some money also. Then you can see this one. This is all. This is survey. Yeah, this is survey. It's here. You claim reward. You see claim reward. Create challenge. This one is a claim reward. You see the point. Later we convert this point to money. So in this one now you come back here to claim reward in next 24 hours. That's what it's saying here. Then earning, you see that you can earn up to $4 from survey here. Why I'm very interested in this is that this has been working. It has been working. It's paying a lot of people. Unlike all those survey platform that when you start earning and after some point it will stop, or if you want to withdraw your money it will not go. This one goes sharper. It accepts almost every country. Anybody can withdraw with crypto so far as you have your address. Then you log in and put in your address, then it will pay direct to your account. Now after setting all the listen, after setting your profile, you start generating money. Another way you can earn, this one is survey. Then another way you can earn is through playing games online. It's through playing game. So now you can play, not even online, you can play game. You can play you can play game and earn, not even online. Sometimes some of the games here is online and some of them is not online. So you can play online or offline and still be generating your income. So now uh, I've downloaded this one now. I've downloaded this game now. So I want to go into this and start making some points. Then continue. Pre- No, let me go back once more and show you something. Let me go back once more and show you something. As you can see, if I complete all these tasks now, this is the task they said I should complete. If I complete all these tasks now, then this now will pay me $154. Yes, Magnet Miner. This app is called Magnet Miner, and all of them. There is a lot of game down there which you can use to, which you can play and generate a lot of money. You can see this one now is this one is the parachute. This you can this one is $139.41. This one is 102.7. So anyone you fish, okay, see this one white fish. This one is $21.75. Anyone you choose, you can download and start earning. After completing the task they say you should complete, they will pay you this amount they write here. So that's how it was. Then go back again and pick one of the company that supply them software is BitLab, and you know BitLab is a crypto engaged website. Yes, so they are engaged in cryptocurrency, crypto exchange. So they supply this platform, this survey site app that can use to play and generate income. So click on BitLife because I have started something there, and you can see this is a magnet miner. Then detail. This is my detail. This is the this is so far. So now this is the journey so far for me. Then I continue playing. Play. This is because I have already downloaded the app and begin the game. Okay, as you can see, this is start blue. Then still it's withdraw down to the miles. The miles you have, I have reached to 520 miles. So at this time now, this is what I could mine now. You pick it, you can make it 3 times. By clicking on this, you play some videos. After start playing for some videos, then it will it will double it into, it will make it 3 times. To make it 3 times, assuming you get it, you see now I got 590. Then I will just click on it, then go back to the app. As you go back to the app, as you can see now, see where I am now at the 1, 2, 3. I'm reaching to the third mile, which is a 550. You see that what I have there is 530, 520. Yes, I've reached 520. But now, when I reach this place now, they will pay me this. Then if I reach 700, they will pay me $2. If I reach 900 meter, they will pay me $7.5. If I reach 1000 meter, 1000 meter, I will get $15. If I reach 2000 meter, I will get $30. So that's how it works. And after completing it, they will pay you the total money they will pay you will accrue to $154. So that's how it works. And they are really paying honestly. So now there's a lot of tasks here that you need to do for you to generate income and points. Yes, that's how it works. Okay, community. Community here in this community, what you can do here is just that you can refer people, referral link. Yes, this is where you copy your referral link, or you can connect or refer people to a QR code here. Social media posts like YouTube, Discord, Instagram, X, Reddit, blog. Call it whatever you call it, all the social media that is involved. So a lot of them here I use to generate.